One of the things that makes power very, very expensive is the fact that these thermal generators, they run with what you call a peak load. They are not the base load. They just told, okay, now switch on one generator, give us the power.
Yeah.
Whether they switch one or none, they're still paid.
Okay. And these things...
But they're not paid the same amount. Yeah. There's a difference there.
That is exactly what I'm saying.
So they're paid, let's say, just for information purposes, or for... They're paid a shilling for operating because they have to have some machine running.
Yes.
And then let's say at peak time, they're told, now switch on your other generator so I can give me more power. Then they're paid now 3 bob.
Well,
in that evening.
Now, well, that's exactly where you have it wrong. What happens is, whether they are producing, whether they are not, whether they are running the machines or not, there is what you call being ready to do that. There is a pay for that. And then there is what they say, this is my capacity. Whether you take it or not, you still pay for it.
So you pay for the entire capacity?
That is it. So if we do not take the entire capacity, we take on 30%, but we pay for 100%, we are losing 70%. If we were to take the 70% and export it to a neighboring country, then it would mean that the Kenyan consumer would only be charged for the 30%, the 70% will be offloading to other market. So that is what makes it very, very expensive.
So, okay.
We conspire with you, because if you do not take from me, you'll still pay me. We even conspire with you, why don't you delay my payment a bit, because I'll make 16-18% over and above what you're paying me. So when the deal is on the table, somebody says, yes, we are charging the government 16.8 billion. Why? Because we finished our plant, not to mention that you are not even in a position to produce. We finished our plant, you are not able to take from us, and because it's take all pay us 16 billion. But because we are very good people, we come to you and tell you, okay, we are charging you 16 billion, right? But just pay us, out of this 16, pay us 6 billion. The rest we can distribute in the units that consumers are paying for.